Your check engine light is on, and your scanner just pulled up a P0340 code. This code means the camshaft position sensor circuit is malfunctioning. This sensor is critical for the PCM to know when to fire, spark plugs, and inject fuel. Most causes are inexpensive and fixable. Here are 7 common reasons and exactly how to fix each one. Failed camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor reads a toothed ring on the camshaft and sends timed pulses to the PCM. Its job is to report the exact rotational position of the camshaft so ignition and injection events can be timed correctly. When the sensor fails internally or its magnetic element weakens, it cannot send a usable signal. The PCM logs P0340 immediately, and you may notice hard starting or stalling. How to fix it? Locate the camshaft position sensor on the cylinder head, usually at the front or rear. Disconnect the connector and use a multimeter set to AC voltage to back-probe the signal wire while turning the engine by hand. No voltage or an erratic reading confirms the sensor has failed. A replacement camshaft position sensor costs between $6 and $25. Loose sensor connector. The camshaft position sensor connects to the wiring harness through a small electrical plug. Its job is to provide a secure, weatherproof electrical path. When the connector vibrates loose or pulls off during engine bay work, the sensor signal is lost entirely. The PCM detects the open circuit and stores P40. This is one of the easiest faults to overlook during diagnosis. How to fix it? Locate the camshaft position sensor and inspect the electrical connector. Press it firmly back into place until you feel it click. Check that the retaining clip is fully seated. Clear the code and drive a few minutes. If the code does not return, a loose connector was the cause and no parts are needed. Damaged wiring between sensor and PCM. The camshaft sensor connects to the PCM through a dedicated wiring harness. Its job is to carry clean signal pulses without interruption. When wires break inside the harness, the insulation chafes through, or a section gets pinched, the signal becomes lost or distorted. The PCM detects irregular pulses and logs, P0340. Wiring damage is common near hot exhaust components or sharp metal edges. How to fix it? Trace the sensor wiring from the connector back toward the PCM. Look for cracked insulation, chafed spots, or burnt sections. Gently flex sections of the harness while watching the camshaft sensor signal on a scanner's live data. Any sudden signal change confirms a wiring fault. Repair with a quality splice and heat shrink tubing. Corroded sensor connector pins. The metal pins inside the camshaft sensor connector must make solid electrical contact. Their job is to conduct the low-voltage signal cleanly to the PCM. When moisture enters the connector and green or white corrosion builds up, the contact becomes unreliable. The PCM reads intermittent or missing signals and logs, P0340. This is common on vehicles with 10 or more years of exposure to humidity and road chemicals. How to fix it? Pull the connector off and inspect both sides under good light. Spray electrical contact cleaner on the pins and gently scrape away any corrosion with a small pick. Apply dielectric grease before reconnecting to prevent future moisture intrusion. A tube of dielectric grease costs under $5 at any auto parts store. Damaged reluctor ring. The reluctor ring is a toothed ring on the camshaft itself. Its job is to provide the physical teeth the sensor reads to generate timing pulses. When the ring cracks, breaks a tooth, or slips out of position, the sensor cannot read a consistent pattern. The PCM receives irregular pulses and stores P0340. This is rare, but does happen on high-mileage engines or after timing chain work. How to fix it? Inspect the reluctor ring with a flashlight after removing the camshaft sensor. Turn the crankshaft slowly by hand and watch the ring teeth past the sensor opening. Any missing, bent, or damaged teeth confirm the ring needs replacement. Reluctor ring replacement requires removing the timing cover and is typically a shop repair on most modern engines. Faulty crankshaft sensor. On many engines, the PCM compares the camshaft signal against the crankshaft signal to verify timing. The crankshaft sensor's job is to provide the reference timing. When the crankshaft sensor fails or sends bad data, the PCM cannot correctly correlate the cam signal and stores P0340 even when the cam sensor itself is healthy. Always check both sensors before replacing parts. How to fix it? Connect a scanner and monitor both crankshaft and camshaft sensor signals during a test drive. Both signals should appear clean and consistent. Any dropouts on the crankshaft side point to the crank sensor as the real fault. A replacement crankshaft position sensor costs between $8 and $25 and is generally an easy bolt-on replacement. Low system voltage. The PCM and the camshaft sensor circuit need stable supply voltage to operate correctly. Their job is to maintain reliable signal communication during all engine operating conditions. When the battery is weak or the charging system fails, voltage drops can cause the PCM to misread the sensor pulses. P0340 may appear intermittently along with other voltage-related codes. This is often overlooked. How to fix it? Test the battery with a multimeter. A healthy battery reads 12.4 volts or higher with the engine off and 13.8 to 14.8 volts with the engine running. Below those values, the charging system needs attention first. Replace or charge the battery as needed before any further sensor diagnosis. A new battery costs between $100 and $200.